Hello, this is DJ, and for this video, I will guide you so that you can start setting up and start your affiliate marketing business. So you are here today most likely because you have been working with my wife Carla. So the first step, if you are caught in the middle and you don't know where to go, and you have to go again to this site, you have to click this or just type in your browser, go to carladu.com/stay-at-home-income. And once you do that, you will be brought into this first page again, where it's the first page that you saw um, when you get introduced in this business. And then you will be asked to enter your email here. So you just enter your email, hopefully a Gmail email address. And from there, you will be brought in to this video where David Deckel, the creator of this system, is welcoming you in a video message. And through that, of course, he has a sales page and have a lot of testimonials. All you need to do is, if you have watched it already and you're just coming back, then you just need to click this continue. And after clicking continue, you will be again transferred to another page where you can find this first page wherein you will be watching the 1 hour video. So hopefully you have completely watched this video because it is really very enlightening. And then he really explained it very well, the advantages of this system, wherein he's doing all the follow-ups. All you need to do is just guide people who also wants to have their own business. So basically the people who will buy the system, you need to guide them. And that's why we have this video to help you do it step by step. So your screen might show, you might be a little different because you might be using a mobile phone or a tablet, but it will almost look like pretty much the same. So below this video, if you have finished watching this video, you will see that there's an option here wherein either you create a new account or you're a returning member. So granting that you have created your own account previously, but you can still do that. Just enter your name and then email, and then you activate it. Once you've activated it, maybe you're trying to go back in this page. And once you're here, you just need to enter your email and password. And then when you log in and register, you will see that you will have your own page wherein you can actually see your link to promote. This is the link that you need to share. This is called the affiliate link. That's why it's called affiliate marketing. You need to share this link to the people who will buy to the system again and will also buy and want to be part of the system, because they have to link through this for you to get your commission, right? And scrolling down further, we will be focusing on only the first income stream, because this is the income stream which is the easiest to explain, and it gives actually 100% commission up to $2,000. So you can earn from $25 per sale up to $2,000 per sale. Right? So all you need to do if you don't have an account yet is just need to click this, sign up or create an account, and you will go to the Easy1Up website. So you will see this page next, and you will see that your referrer is Carla, my wife. And so in the future, you will also have your own sales page, so that every people you will refer to the system and who will buy to the system, you will get commission from doing that. Right? So that's how simple the business is. And you just need to set up your own account here for you to get paid. Right? So all you need to do is just fill in all these details. Then when you click start now, you will receive an email um, for you to be able to activate your account. So go to your email and see the email of Easy1Up and then go activate your account. Once you have activated your account, you will just need to log in. So all you need to do is you can go to easy1up.com. You can type it into your browser or click that link, whatever that is. And then you need to click log in. So clicking log in here, when you click log in, you will go into this page with the red box that has 3 blank spaces. And all you need to do is just, you have to enter your username or email. So enter your username and then your password that you just created a few moments back, and then the CAPTCHA code. If you're using a phone and you can read this clearly, the CAPTCHA code, you just need to pinch your screen so that it becomes bigger, so it's zoomed in. And then after that, you click login after typing all your details, and then you will go in this page. So you're already inside your dashboard in Easy1Up. Right? So in your dashboard, you will see that Carla is an affiliate marketer. You will also be an affiliate marketer in the future after being with this. And then all you need to do is just, choose a product that you would want to pay. So there are different options from $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. So we recommend, it's best to start between $100 to $500 because what you will earn per sale will depend. The maximum amount that you will earn per sale will depend on the 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 level that you will choose. So for example, you choose Vertex Elite, so that will be $500. You will just need to pay one time $500 to Carla. And then one more, scrolling down further, you also need to pay the administrator fee for the website. That's $50 using your credit card details as well. So remember, you have to have two payments. You have to make two payments, right? Why is it important to join or to buy a higher package as much as possible? Because let's say if you just joined, let's say Elevation Elite, that's $100. Let's say this, if you just choose to pay $100 and then someone you referred or who wants to, you introduce the business and then they would want to earn bigger and then they choose Vertex or Vertex Elite or Vertex Pro or Vertex Live, you will not earn the commission. You will only earn $25 or $100 for people who will buy this packages. If the person you referred will buy a bigger package than you, then that the commission will go to Carla, right? To the person who introduced this business to you. If this person gets a bigger package, it will go to Alan, the person who introduced to us, and so on, right? So it would depend. So if you're just choosing 25, let's say the entry level, $25, and then someone you introduce the business and they would want to start at $100, you will not earn any commission. You can only earn for people who will buy $25 as well, just like the same level as you. Another thing that you have to also remember is, let's say you joined at this level, let's say Vertex Elite, $500. And then you referred someone, you got one sale. Your first sale for the same level, $500, it will go to you. And your second sale, however, your second sale will go to your sponsor, which is Carla, the one who introduced you. And your third sale onwards for the same level, $500, will go to you, not to Carla anymore. Right? So that's the system is all about. Right? But anything lower than 500, for example, you joined at the 500 level, Vertex Elite, and someone joined at 250, the first, second, third onwards, everything that you sell at any lower level than you will be all yours. All the commission will be all yours, not with Carla. So again, going back, if you're ready to pay, let's say you decided $500, you just need to scroll down. These are the payment options. Carla can accept payment through Western Union, so you can send her the details. You can ask her for her full name and address that she will need to withdraw the money to Western Union, or for faster transactions so that you can be activated right away, you just need to go to paypal.me/docarla. So you can go and copy this because so far the link is not working inside. I don't know why. So, and you can just paste it in your browser. or type it, open Google or open Chrome and then type in paypal.me/docarla, and you will go in this page. So you can see KDD and Co. That's her quote unquote company name. You can also do that when you have your own PayPal account as well. And then you can type in here. So if you're paying 500, just type in 500, then you click next. When you click next, if you're not logged into PayPal, PayPal will ask you to log in if you already have an account. But if you don't have an account yet, you need to sign up. So you just need to click sign up, and then you will go to the sign up page of PayPal. It's easy to follow. And then all you need to do is just enter your credit card or debit card details. Only one-time payment, don't worry. There are no recurring payments for this. So after paying PayPal or through PayPal, because Carla wants to be paid through PayPal, again, remember, after paying the first amount, which is your membership level, that package, you will also need to pay the admin fee, one-time payment again, usually 10% or higher of your package. So that's for this part, that's $50. You just need to, again, click pay my credit card with my credit card. And then again, you need to enter your credit card details where you are paying the admin of Easy1Up. So once you're there and you're paid, you just need to screenshot your proof of payment and send it to Carla or to the person who introduced you this business, because this person will have the access to his or her account here in My Teams, and then they will um, they will activate your account. So I will show you in another video how to activate your account here in Easy1Up as well. So that's it for this recording. And thank you for watching.